3 marks non-calculator question. This is Cambridge 0580. It's non-calculator. So the question says expand and simplify. 3 brackets. Nothing is difficult here, but a simple mistake will let you lose the whole 3 marks. So you need to be awake doing such questions. So you can pause the video and try it yourself. What I will do here, I'll multiply these first. So let's just do this. X plus 4, x minus 3. We FOIL. So we'll start by multiplying this times this. X times x is x squared. And then x times negative 3 is minus 3x. We finished with x. And then 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. We did the first one. Let's combine like terms. Nothing looks like x squared, so I'll just write it. Minus 3x and plus 4x look alike, so it's just plus x. Are you confused? Why is it plus x? Think of it like minus 3 plus 4. So you have $4 in your hand and you lost 3 of them. How many dollars are left? So it's just 1. That's why it's 1. And then minus 12 stays. So this is the first bracket, the first 2 brackets. Now we just bring the third bracket down, which is this one here. Let's write it in blue. It's a nice color. So 3x plus 2 here. Now I'll do the same thing I did. It's just for 3 terms now. Let me erase this. It's distracting us. Now what I will do is I'll multiply this here. X squared times 3x is 3x to the power of 3. And then x squared times 2 is plus 2x squared. And then we finish with that. So x times 3x is plus 3x squared. And then x times 2 is plus 2x. This is fun. It just needs you to be awake, as I said. Now the last part is the 12. Let's erase these. Now minus 12 times 3 is minus 36x, because there is an x, and then minus 12 times 2 is minus 24. This is a very nice question. What we will need to do now is just to combine like terms. If there anything looks like 3x to the power of 3, no, so we'll just write it 3x to the power of 3. Is there anything looks like x squared? Yes, this is also x squared. So let's combine them together. What's 2x squared plus 3x squared? It's 5x squared. Oh, this is nice handwriting. Now, if there anything looks like x, yes, this is x. So what's 2x minus 36x? It's minus 34x. If there anything looks like the 24, no, so it's just minus 24. Now look at this. Can you combine anything? Are there any things that look alike? No, everything is different. So that's your final nice answer, and that's your 3 marks. How was it? Was it easy? Thank you for following. There is a whole playlist on just Cambridge non-calculator question. You can just dive into that. Thank you for following. Bye.